What's up, guys? It's Ray, and today is Monday, August 5th, and the markets are crashing and people are panicking. So I'm finally able to catch up with the markets. It's 1:30 in Eastern time, so half the trading day has passed. Let's see what is going on. So as usual, you just kind of put the list here, then you create the market glance. And keep in mind that 4 hours has passed. And maybe I should have started this video earlier because it was a huge gap down sell off, and it seems like right now there's been some sort of relief rally from the looks of it. I think a main idea for today is like when there's high volatility, it's actually better not to do anything. Let's not even talk about the fact that you couldn't log at 6:30 when you try to log into TD Ameritrade or whatever broker you had. If you have positions this morning, you couldn't access it, and that's just, I don't know, a lesson, a warning sign. There are these types of risks out there when it comes to trading. Things like you can't access it through to the brokerage. Robinhood's done this type of stuff before. The main thing is on like a heavy volatility day like this on a Monday, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to take a long or a short. Think about what happened, right? I don't even I haven't even looked at the news yet. Probably something about Japan and some yen, and we're just going to look at price action here. So something like an IBM, right? Just visually looks like it's tried to find a bottom. Here's the thing. We don't try to catch a falling knife. Don't try to catch a falling knife. It's Monday. We've had 3 days of heavy volatility. Look at Oxy just kind of fall off the cliff. We don't need to take any positions today if we don't want to. Here's where the value of understanding where the prior winners are matters, because and prior losers like Visa, because once you start to get a pulse on these things, when the market comes back, you're going to have a better pick. So I'm just like, you can look at just Wells Fargo's just sold off $10 from $60, and it looks like we're catching a falling knife, even though we had a little quick rally today. Tomorrow we might rally up, we might go down. I would say currently, if I moved opportunities over to the system, we will want to be taking shorts. Even something like ARM, which is a semiconductor company. So in terms of trade opportunities today, you're either going to like be pressing shorts. Like, how much was Apple down at the open? I wonder. Like $20, like 9%. Here's the question that I'm asking, right? And for GPT to answer, like, is the volatility? So now we're in volatility mode. Oh shit. We're in volatility mode. Maybe I just pull it up here. So it was as high as 65, which usually marks a buying situation. So the last time we were up at 65 was back in 2020. COVID went as high as 85, right? And then we had another one back in February. So when it comes to VIX, this was a potential buying opportunity right here. because the last time we were as high as there was back in 2020. The thing is, there's not to say that it can't go higher tomorrow on the VIX. I think that's the main thing that traders will be looking at is the VIX, and is it gonna be like one of these ones where it's super like quick, or is it gonna be like COVID? COVID VIX was crazy. I mean, if you wanted to trade VIX products with the indicator, we had a buy signal on the Thursday, bro. Right? So we had VIX buys on Thursdays. Friday was like the follow through on Monday. All right. I guess we had the VIX buys on this day. All righty. I mean, here's what we'll do. Here's what we'll do for the audience today. We'll take this list and we'll just pop it into all of it into its own list. You click plus button, and I'm just gonna click the sort by change and kind of just go through them all. I put on my secret algo real quick. All right. So dividend stocks are selling off. I mean, NASDAQ. Let's see the Qs real quick. You know, here's the line in the sand, right? We're not going long unless we're above 443. So we had a sell signal on Wednesday, or is it Wednesday? No, on Thursday. Vulcan Energies one to keep an eye on, just because, you know, look, we've been in an uptrend since 2012, and we actually hit a new high back in Wednesday or July, the last day of July. So I would keep Vulcan Materials. They're a construction company on my watch list. I'm just gonna write on the side. Actually, hold up. GPT, put this on your watch list, please. Help me out, man. All right. Cigna, man. We're not messing around. Right now we're gonna go short. If we go short Cigna, maybe that's the idea. Cigna short. They just had earnings. Is selling off. If we lose this 323 level, I mean, we could target $300 on the low end. CI short. Yeah, we're shorting TJX. We're shorting this. For sure it topped. I mean, not for sure, but you know, pharmaceutical getting hit. Getting hit. Apple was the only one. Apple was the only. I mean, we had Apple sales on freaking Thursdays too. I'd keep an eye on Apple. When the market recovers, I'd buy into Apple. I'll say that much about Apple. Don't know what this thing does. Medical supplies. Yeah, I think we go short. I think we go short. I think we go short. I mean, these guys are definitely short, right? You should have shorted them on Friday. I'm not playing with this one. Citigroup. I might buy Citigroup on like I'm gonna keep Citigroup on a recovery watch list if things get better. But look at this, man. Holy smokes. Take that signal right there. Buy a put at the end of the day. You made money on Friday. You're making money today. Jeez. Where the hell were we? Visa is one of those like hot mess stocks right now. I wouldn't mess with Visa. If anything, I'm gonna say is in the range. Like right here. That's Visa. Starbucks, you're short in Starbucks for days. I'm going short Starbucks here. Earnings happen, earnings sell off. Couldn't hold the gains. Are we seeing new lows? I mean, we're short in Starbucks, man. I mean, are we? There's a new signal, new sell signal. How about this? I'm not gonna long Starbucks. I guess we have a. No, we don't have to play it. All right, Doc. I'll keep this on for a buy signal. DOC buy signal. Stay away. I mean, here's a line in the sand, right? If we're above this and we're above, it's a winner. It's a winner, right? You can't bet against low. It's just retracing right now. Stay away from this one. Stay away from I think we short this though. I don't know. I mean, we see like lower highs for sure. When's earnings? Earnings is we don't need to. Newmont, precious metals. I mean, this could be like a new trend, all right? Because it's been fucked up for hella long. It's been fucked up for that long. So is this the main trend in Newmont, or is this the main trend in Newmont? Is it like this, or is it like this? I like it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I might need to look into it more a little bit, into the fundamental analysis, just to understand what it does. Nah. Warner Brothers. I mean, I keep an eye on it, I guess. It did hit that new high on August 1st. I actually like it. CMI. We're gonna buy it on a buy signal, you know what I'm saying? So ideally, we defend this blue. We defend this trend line, and we've got price targets up here and price targets over here. It's currently trading at 281, right? So I'd keep an eye on this one. I'll probably short this one. CSX, what do they do? Railroads? Undetermined. Amgen. Its earnings is this week. Earnings is this week. It's got currently a sell signal. Ooh, we gotta sell Nike, you know what I'm saying? Nike's just not doing good, yo. Nike's at risk, you know. Yeah. CVS. I'd go short CVS actually, man. This is a good kind of, you know, we're gonna lose this 58 level, so maybe just buy like $55 calls or something, or puts. Maybe buy like a 55 put in the future, like here, October put or something. Again, it's like, is this a new trend? Like, is this like a long ass consolidation, or what's going on? You know, above this blue line, you're still a bull, right? So we wanted to kind of turn up. We want we wanted to turn out at. Jeez, and there's so many today. All right, GPT, figure it out for all of these instead of Ray doing it. PLD. Oh, this is a new short, GPC. Short idea. Yeah, they just had earnings. They're selling off now. They opened it. Yeah, this is a short into the paper account. Shall we? I don't know what they do. What are they? Electrical products? Keep an eye on this one. Oxy just got completely blown out of water since whatever date this was, July 22nd. I mean, look, it's just like the other ones. Is this a new trend now, right? Because you kind of got out of it into this right here. In my estimations, this area right here was like a top because you found supply, and then it's just been selling off, and this is just even people are just running for the exits, or maybe it's a good buying opportunity. I don't know. Kimco. This was one that we traded before. Colgate. Dude, how long is this video right now? Holy shit. Railroads are under attack. I mean, this was a leader, so maybe we keep this on the watch list, pen tier for when things do come back better. Maybe they're gonna be a leader in the space. So I'd keep this in the watch list. Same for Meta, dude. Meta at the low, at the open was a buying opportunity. If you had the foresight to like just say, hey, I'm gonna buy at the open, if you could, you would have nailed it. Because they had good earnings results, right? And then I tried to go long here, took my loss. If instead of taking my, like, I took the loss, which was good, but buying down here was like the play at $50. Holy shit! Even right now, maybe I'm just not gonna buy it yet, though. All right, what kind of is there? No greens. All right, Tyson's green. Tyson's Foods. All right, we're gonna buy some Tyson Foods, guys. Is hitting a new 52-week high or some shit. Keep it on your watch list. We were good to go since the fucking 11th. TDD earnings coming up. It was a leader up here. Then it got it got oversubscribed, as they say. I'm not messing with Avis at all. BlackRock, those goddamn financial people. I mean, BlackRock's you gotta buy BlackRock. I mean, if you want to make money, you gotta buy it, right? They've got highs back at the 900s back in 21. This is a trend. This is an uptrend. Nah. Campbell Soup. So staples, you know, the safe stocks today are finding some. United Health Services had the earnings pop. Honestly, you'd buy this actually. I think this is a buy. UHS. This might be today's play. UHS. I don't know. Low volume Monday. I mean, look, we had earnings already. We had our earning bump. We kind of had a not a crazy sell off, and we found some support here. We still have another level of support here. And we have a rising 20-day moving average. So I mean, like, it's not the best play, but if I was to look for something, like, this might be it. Holy shit, ARM's just been selling off ever since here, bro. It's been wild. All right, so we had this pre-earnings pop. So like, here's the top, right? So we lost that level, and it's just been really selling off. ServiceNow. Cool. I'm gonna end it here. Maybe UHS is the play today. We'll see. We're building out a GPT that's gonna give us a decision for each of these in the future, and that'll be exciting. So until next time, see you on the next one. Peace.